to go down? Are you coming?
No.
There you are. Hey, you come out of the bug's butt. That's kind of weird.
Yeah.
From the mountains?
That's what it says.
Oh. That looks neat, huh?
No, I like dinosaurs.
Pretty cool.
Let's go up the escalator.
Escalator? Bugs. You ready to go see some bugs?
No, not really.
What's in there?
Ashley, are you mature? Yes. That is a bite.
It's a little scary in here, Ashley.
Mom's gonna get itchy.
I know, I don't like bugs. Oh my gosh, that's a big spider. Oh, can you touch the light bugs? What are those? Can you touch them? Oh, pretty neat. Oh, what's this guy? Butterflies with the tarantula. Why are they hanging out together? Is that a big moth?
What is that big ass thing?
Maybe that's a moth.
Sticky.
Stretchy.
Why won't you come to
That's a spitting spider.
Spiders.
What's up with that shit?
Stuff that you don't have to
What? Oh, what did you do? Oh, you gotta smash the bugs. Smash the bugs.
You do the ones next to you, and I'll do the ones next to me.
Oh, hey. Oh, that's a little high. It's on the other side.